right, Muscle Car Corner here in a little bit of a rain delay. We're still qualifying and they're pushing it. Brian's up there, make sure we get this deal underway and get everybody qualified that we can today. So it's been a hit and miss with rain, but they get the track dried real quick, and we got some badass cars here, man. Love me a 340 Duster. Splash it. Well, that's a clean motor, man.
Thank you.
A clean motor is a happy motor, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Means they've been well taken care of.
You know it, brother. Well, hope you do well today, man.
Don't make you run any faster, but you'll sure look good broke down.
You know that's right. Have a great one. Love this Grabber blue Maverick Grabber. Man, you don't see those around anymore. Carbon fiber hood on it. Really nice. Found one of these in a junkyard up in South Carolina. And hell, if it's still there, I'm going to have to go get that thing. I think he wanted $1,000 for it. It's an old ex-drag car. Now I'm looking at this thing, Grabber blue. I'm like, whoa. Body was nice, too. Another nice Ford product. It's got the strap-on hood just to make sure that thing don't go on over. 289 Fairlane, super sweet. Showing a couple of Fords because I know I overload on Mopars. Sorry about that. Love the hood on these Calentes. So cool. What a function design, you know. That's a sharp little car, boy, I'll tell you. I like it. The detail work on this build, on this Chevy, is just really simply fantastic. Everything is perfect on this car. Look at the old original ET center cap. You don't see those too often. I don't know if that's a repo or a reproduction or an NOS piece, but this car is really put together well. It's over the top restoration on it. Look at the inside of it. And that's what I like right there. Man, that's a sweet rider there, boy. Some old Mickey Thompsons on the back. Pro Gas Performance out of Arkansas. Really nice. Love this little Mustang 2. These were super cool with the fat tires under them. It's good to see this thing with the fat tires under it. These cars are so tough looking as a drag car. There's just something about them. I didn't like the car when it came out.
I know.
But man, they were just, what, Gap and Roush had, who ran one of these back in the 70s? Glidden, yeah. Man, I'm Brad Corner.
Jay Slatton.
Nice to meet you. I got a YouTube channel, and I'm just out here.
Very good.
Went out last year here and hit it out of the park, and they wanted me back, so I'm here getting it done, man.
Glad you're here, man. I appreciate it.
Man, I love it. Yep. This is some of the funnest racing at all. I was just at the Winter Nationals in Pomona, for the NHRA Winter Nationals, and I don't know, it's great and all, but it's not this.
Where it's at, man. Old guys rule.
You know it, brother. And there's a bunch of them out here, man. This is where we can strut our wings and get a little bit of fun in life. That it's just that quick 10 seconds, 11 seconds that does it for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How long you been doing it?
About a year and a half.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Newbie, huh?
I'm a newbie.
How'd you get into it that late in life?
My father-in-law has done it for a long time.
I gotcha.
He had sold his car and retired, and so I wanted to get him back in it. So the car had been sitting about 5 years, so I knew where it was, and finally talked to the guy and sell it to me. And we've changed motor, changed transmission. We tried to bring it back to life. A lot of fun.
And this was his car?
This was his car.
Oh, wow. To find it and source it back again is pretty damn cool story there, That's what makes it tick, you know?
Got it. Yep, that's what it's all about.
And how long did he race it when he had it before?
Probably 15, 20 years.
Wow. Yeah. It was a drag car most of his life.
Oh, yeah, it was. Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, you either liked these or you didn't, and I think they were the coolest Ford out there.
They
you know,
were gutless from the factory because they, that was during the gas wars. And
well, actually they were pretty quick because a buddy of mine worked at a Ford dealer, and I worked at Chevrolet, and we got demos. And back then, it was pretty snappy with a 4-speed, the little 302.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't quick.
The car had a 302 in it when we got it. We
But
changed
it was
over to a 408. So
small car,
Yeah.
302 with a 4-speed.
Yeah.
It was just pretty cool.
It had a little. You were talking about the fat tires. It had the little 28s on it. I'm like, no. We got to have some.
You got to get some
there,
33s up on there.
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Where you out of?
Just around Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay.
So just east of Nashville. Yeah,
Gotcha.
So about an hour and a half away, so not far at all.
Well, I'll get you. My YouTube channel is. I've got cards in the car. Let's be honest. Well, we got more top fuel coming up. I'm at the other end of the track now. I might as well just hang it. I gotta go get a cold drink. This old man's been putting some steps in today, my brother and sisters. Man, when it comes to nostalgia drag racing, I'm here. This is what I really enjoy. I think I need to sell some classic cars, go ahead and get me a drag car. That may already be underway. I don't know. We'll see. Let's car corner out.